Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm going to be talking a little bit about Padlet and the new AI features in Padlet. So, again, I like to say I'm not an expert, I am just an interested explorer, and I have just invested time into looking into some of these new AI tools. So, I like to use Padlet in all of my classes, but I find it really helpful for e learning, especially. So, in those classes where you're not having those synchronous connections with students, this is a really great way to have students easily buy in to a low stakes discussion or a low stakes activity in which everybody can participate. So, to make a Padlet, it's very easy. You just join Padlet and you can start making your own Padlets. So you can see here that you can actually create with AI. So this is new. I think it's in beta for Padlet, but you can create a lesson plan, a timeline of events, a map of historical events, a rubric, a custom board, assessment polls, reading list, classroom activities, etc. So you can actually use AI to generate Padlets. So let's say I want to make a custom board. You can actually type in I'm a teacher and what you want to create. And then you can generate any type of Padlet that you want. One that I tried before this was fun science experiments. And then I clicked example and it created a board for me. So let me show you what it actually came up with. So it actually created almost like a choice board, and you can specify the grade level. But it came up with a really cool list of science experiments for students at a fifth grade level. So this is almost like a choice board that students could come up with. So this is not just a way for students to participate in a discussion, but also you could use it to generate resources. One way that I use it as part of a discussion is I do something called a reflect and release. So in this Padlet, I have almost a blank background, and I've asked students to contribute to this discussion using the AI artwork feature. So there's a feature in Padlet called Write What You Want to Draw. And I would do this after I show students like a YouTube video or we had a lesson. And in this case, I am asking students to reflect on their feelings from the lesson that we had today. So that's why it's reflecting and releasing those feelings, especially if you're talking about something that can be like a little bit heavy. This is again a really low stakes activity. I'm not even asking students to type something in here, but I'm asking them to generate artwork based on their feelings. So you would click the plus button, or they would, and then you can click on the stars here, and it will allow you to generate an image. So write what you want to draw. So I could say a teacher who is excited about learning fractions. I would not be excited about that, but let's try it out. Oh, sorry. A teacher who is excited to learn about fractions. And then I want to click this actually. Drawing your words, this may take up to a minute. The more specific you are, the more likely you are to get artwork that expresses what you are interested in. So then I could pick one of these images if I like any of them. If none of these reflect me, then I could generate another image. So let's just say this one reflects you as a teacher who's excited to learn about fractions. You can add an artwork title if you want. Excited for fractions. Publish. And then it has my name, it has what I'm excited for, and it has my AI image. And then students can actually, you can give them the ability to like each other's work or comment on each other's work. It's sort of just a fun way to check in with your students and have them sort of release some of their feelings around things that you're doing in the classroom. I find it to be a really effective activity, and it's something quick that you can do that's engaging and, again, low stakes for your students. Enjoy.